Wait, stop scrolling. This animal has square eyes. No joke. Real life. In the next few seconds, you'll see which animal it is and why nature built eyes like this. Look closely. Those pupils aren't round. They're rectangular, almost perfect squares. It's a goat, and those eyes change everything. Square pupils give them a superpower. They see nearly 360 degrees around them. Predators can't sneak up. Not from behind, not from the side. And here's the wild part. Even when the goat lowers its head to eat, the eyes rotate, so the horizon stays perfectly level. No blur, no blind spots, constant awareness. One animal, one strange design, built to survive anywhere. Square eyes. Nature doesn't play fair. Follow for more things that sound fake, but are 100% real.